Good day everyone. In today's video, angle calculation using triangle side length formula tutorial. Okay. The first thing I will do is to draw a right triangle in my right side. Okay. So that is the travel, set, and the ramp. Okay. So now I will use this cosine to solve. Okay. The unknown length to this right triangle. Okay. So cosine of 60 degrees. Okay, is equal to 0.5. So that is the be all now. Okay, so we are using that 2155 travel time is 0.5. The cosine of 60 degrees is equal to 10,775. This is mm. Okay, so we have already calculated the set. So now we proceed to other calculation of this right triangle. So I will use again this sin 60 degrees is equal to 0.8660. To 1.5 times 0.8660 is equal to 1866 mm. So that is already our run. So we proceed to the other calculation by using this 30 degrees angle. Okay, so I just draw again one right triangle. So now I put this 30 degrees and also the 60 degrees here as our reference, and I make it this 1077 set given dimension. Okay, so I use this in 30 degrees is equal to 0.5. So to calculate the A or the travel is A is equal to 1077 divided by 0.5 is equals to 2155. Okay, so it means our A here is 2155 mm. So we proceed to other calculation by using the tangent, the same right triangle. Okay, so just follow along. I just put again the A, B, and C. Oh, that is the set of travel and run. So 30 degree. So now I am using this tangent by using this 60 degree angle. Okay. So tangent 60 degrees is equal to 1.7320. So we calculate now this C. Okay, so C is equal to 1077 times 1.7320 is equal to 1866 mm. Okay, so that is the run 1866. So now we calculate also this B. So B is equals to 1866 divided by 1.7320 is equal to 1077. Okay, so we have already calculated this right triangle by using the cosine, sin, and the tangent. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.